Hey guys, it's Jordan with Bankrupt Garage. Today we want to make an update on our progress for the new race season. We decided to go ahead and pick up an enclosed trailer, which I'm going to show you guys now. This is an old dirt track trailer that we're going to kind of clean up and spruce up a little bit. We got a pretty good deal on it, so it's worth it. So here's the big reveal. Dorsey Cargo makes semi-trailers, and this is their Diamond Cargo series. It's 28 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and it has 7-foot ceilings. There's the tow pig, Magic Spool Bus. Came with the truck bed toolbox on it. For extra parts, it's got the 4-foot door, 5,200 pound axles. And right now we just took out some stuff and we're cleaning up the inside, so here we go. Don't mind these janky lights. These are just Royal King LEDs that I hung up real quick. The lights do work in the trailer, but they aren't bright enough, so I just hung 2 of these up. So these cords all go away, but it does have T4s in there. You know, it's used. The floor's got oil stains and stuff, but nice trailer overall. It's got dome lights that run on 12 volt. Spare tire. Came with a little 3,500 pound winch. It's a little small, but it works. And we're gonna build some more toolboxes up here. It's got a fuse box already wired up, so we can hook up to campsites. Like I said, it was for dirt track, so they had a little different setup than us, but our plan is to pull the car in, tow it. We're gonna have a 55-gallon jug of fuel up front here, and then when we get there, we're gonna hook up, pull the car out, and then we're gonna sleep in here. So right where this vent is, I'm gonna put a Coleman RV heat and AC unit in. Since the fuse panel's here, it'll be easy to wire up. It had some drive over ramps, which I'll show you in a minute. So we're gonna try to do this DIY as cheap as possible. Our plan is to show you how you can get a older used trailer. This is a 2008 trailer, and use what was in the trailer and try to make a DIY race trailer as cheap as possible. There are some really expensive race trailers out there, but you can make your own shelves and you can get a little creative with organization. So this trailer had drive over ramps, which I just disassembled, and I've organized the wood in my garage. So they were made with 2x10s and 2x12s, which we're gonna use for some workbenches. And then all those were the under pieces of the ramp. The plan with those is to use them as platforms for jacks, so in the mud our jacks don't sink in at the race. One for the jack itself, jack stands. I built one for the trailer already, that's about 4 tall. And then we're gonna use the rest of the wood as some mounts in the trailer to hold our tools and stuff. So we'll have another update later on. The trailer obviously needs to be power washed. It's been sitting for a little bit. We need to remove these decals and throw some big Bankrupt stickers on there. Get a nice big 10 or 15 foot Bankrupt vinyl along the side. But we just want to show you guys where we're at. We'll have another update later when we start painting. I picked up some deck over paint that has texture in it. You can see right here. Just got it in a charcoal gray, but it's got grit in it for traction, and then we're just gonna throw some white paint on the walls, maybe some outdoor carpeting along the sides where the doors hit and everything, just to keep the scrapes to a minimum. All right, check in with you later.